Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fly High with English. Let's learn daily sentences. ट्रेन पकडण्यासाठी दुसऱ्या दिवशी सकाळी आम्ही लवकर उठलो. We got up early the next morning to catch the train. We got up early the next morning to catch the train. मला कमी दिसते. I'm short of sight. I'm short of sight. मला आशा आहे तो हे करेल. I hope he will do it. I hope he will do it. तुला त्याची गरज आहे का? Do you need it? Do you need it? मोठा श्वास घे. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. वेळेत उचललेले पाऊल मोठ्या संकटापासून वाचवते. A stitch in time saves 9. A stitch in time saves 9. तुला आता निर्णय घ्यावा लागेल. You have to make a decision now. You have to make a decision now. एक मिनिट माझं ऐक. Listen to me for a minute. Listen to me for a minute. तो स्वतःला काय समजतो? What does he think of himself? What does he think of himself? मी तुला अपडेट करत राहीन. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. हा व्हायरस जीवघेणा आहे. This virus is lethal. This virus is lethal. तिच्या सर्व सवयी मला माहीत आहेत. I'm well aware of her habits. I'm well aware of her habits. कोणाचा फोन आहे? Who is calling? Who is calling? त्याने शिकत शिकत नोकरी केली. He worked during studies. He worked during studies. मी सर्व गमावलं तरी हार मानली नाही. I lost everything in spite of that I didn't give up. I lost everything in spite of that I didn't give up. Like, share and subscribe.